Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So we got in our bargain bead box for May, and this month it's called Tropical Heat. So I figured we'd do a unboxing real quick because I'm like really excited to start working with this. I'm really liking the bag this month. I mean, it's bright pink. I'm really liking that. So I'm going to grab a tray here and we are going to start looking at these and getting set up to work. So we are going to we're going to go in order. I'm liking the fact that they're now not only just numbering them, they're also putting the information on it. Where's number 1? Here, nope, that's 15. Let's see. 17. 13. 10. 7. Let's see, 9. 8, 7. Ouch. Bunny girl. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Bunny is scratching at my leg because she wants cookies. So we'll give her one of those. Here go, baby girl. There go. There. Okay. So number 1 is 40 millimeter approximately crackle agate and brass faceted nugget link. So this is, and I don't know if you can see that real well. It is a brown, I want to see if I can get that to there we go, lighten up a little bit. Very pretty. It's got some design to it. I like that. Don't know which side I like better. This has got a big vein through it, which gives it interest, but then this side is more like crackled. So I love that. So that's number 1. Number 2 is, if I can find it, 7 to 8 millimeter Malaysia jade dyed quartz English cut. So this is very pretty. It's a coral. I would call this a coral color. It's got a unique faceted pattern, so it's not your standard facet, but I love this. I mean, this is beautiful. And we're going to get this set up because we are going to work with this as soon as I possibly can. I'm just really liking it already. And it's a very bright color this month. Which is good. That's, you know, tropical heat. I mean, tropical usually is brightly colored. Sorry guys, I've got a bunny that's she just is wanting attention. She's underneath my feet. So number 3 is 6 millimeter quartz dyed faceted cube beads in magenta. So magenta. Ooh, very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I don't know. I mean, they're not all the same color pink, but that is very, very bright, very pretty. I'm excited. I mean, that like almost matches and I'm going to call this like a coral color. So you've got coral, we've got magenta, very brightly colored there. Number 4 is 8 millimeter crackle agate round beads, 14.5 inch string. And this, again, it matches. I mean, it's just slightly different in color to that. These are gorgeous. There's a little crackle pattern to them. Loving this. I am loving this kit. I cannot wait to get started. I've already got, whoops, ideas. That didn't cut the knot. But as you can see, these are, they're very similar in tone. So this is amazing. Number 5 is 10mm quartz round beads in crimson. And I don't know if I call these crimson. Again, I think this is more watermelon to me, but they're calling it crimson. I mean, it's red, but this reminds me of the color of watermelon, to be honest. But again, it's slightly lighter than the rest of the beads that so far in this kit. But very, very pretty. And that is that's interesting the way they knotted that. Come on. All right. And that was number 5. Number 6, if I can find it, is 6mm carnelian round beads. So this is actually the first lighter color bead. It's more of an orangey color, the carnelian. I wonder if we can undo the knot here. So this is like a contrasting color, similar, but this is going to be very bright. Oh, I don't know what I want to do with this yet. So I'm just taking this off and putting these in there with the other beads. And you know, as you can see, I mean, it's very warm. I can see where they get the heat from. Very warm. So that was number 8. Right? Was that number 8 or was that number 7? Carnelian. No, that was number 6. Number 7. Let's see. Where's number 7? Number 7 is 29 by 13 mountain jade dyed dolomite and brass faceted links. So these kind of go with that. This is a little browner, but these are, again, the those can make good earrings. Those can make good, you know, bracelets. I like those. Number 8 is 8mm crystal faceted octagon beads in opaque red AB. So, ooh, pretty. All right, I know, I get excited over, sparkly catches my eye. So I don't know if you can see just how sparkly these are in the light. Yeah, see, just angling it just right. Those are amazing. I'm really liking these. So I'm going to snip the little wire there to take that off. And then we're going to snip the wire there. I'm going to throw that away so it doesn't get... I'm going to put these in here too. That is very, very pretty. I like that. It's kind of got... I mean, they're red, but the AB kind of gives it a magenta feel. I really like that. Number 9, we have 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in tangerine. I like these. I mean, I do a lot with bicones. And these are, you know, bicones tend to be sparkly. So this is good. Oops. And I'm going to put these in with my sparkles. I like this together. I mean, even in there, it's going to look... It's definitely spicy and tropical. I cannot wait to make something gorgeous with this. You know, bead wise, I don't know if I have any shibori that would match this as far as color, but we might just have to like start digging something out because that is just gorgeous. This, I'm just loving this month's box. So number 10, we have crystal faceted triangle beads in sunshine. Triangle faceted. Ooh, those are very interesting. I'm going to take these off oh, I like these. I've never seen beads like these before. This is amazing. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a little triangle pyramid. So they're just like little pyramids. Those are amazing. I like those. I'm going to set those up here. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. They're really cool. Oops. Those are really cool. I just don't know what I just don't know what I'm going to do with them because like now I have too many ideas. But they're very sparkly. I've never seen triangle beads like that, so they're going to be interesting to work with. Oh, I like this month's box. That was number 10. Number 11. Where are you, number 11? Number 11 is crackle quartz dyed and brass wire wrapped link and citrine. So this is just a little wire wrapped bead. Little asymmetrical there on the wrap, but that's okay. I mean, that's cute. And that's definitely, I mean, that's it goes along with the yellow there. I'm going to set that guy up there. And I'm going to actually put this guy up there too. Next we have enamel flower charms in crimson. I really like this. This is very bright. Ooh, pretty. I can see those being earrings. So, those are really fun. And there's some, and I don't know if you can see real well in there, the detail on that. There's little tiny, they look like little tiny dots in there. So there's some really nice detail in those flowers. I'm going to set those there. Next we have 30 pieces. So this is number 13. We have 30 pieces, 7.5 millimeter bead caps. And they're 5-point bead caps, so they look like little stars. Those are pretty. I think those will go really well with, you know, honestly, I don't know if I mean, I like the gold. I don't know. We might, whoops. We might have to do something with the darker colors. I don't know. We'll play with that. We're going to have to play with design. Next we have 20 pieces, 8x3 faceted rondelle spacer beads. I have some of these in my stash. I bought a while back, so these are fun. Mine aren't faceted, so if you can see on the side, it's faceted, so they're very unique. I am going to set those. Actually, I'm going to move some things. I'm going to set these in here. And then number 15, we have 10-piece oval 16 by 12 oval links. Now these are fun. I could see doing you know, connectors to that and doing a necklace with chain or with something. I like these. So we're going to set those in there as well. Next we have 1 meter of brass oval jewelry chain. So this is and I'm just going to get it in the hand so you can see it. It is really long, wide chain, so that'll go well again with these. I can see doing something where those are in there. So you've got some chain, and we'll set that right there. And lastly, they're including 2 sets of brass lobster claws. So you've got oval long lobster claws, so it goes with the long oval chain. So you get 2 of those as well, so that's nice. And so that's this month's box. I mean, this is really, I mean, this is gorgeous. I love these beads. They're very pretty. You know, I'm just like, I don't normally go for oranges and reds, but that together, I mean, those together, those 2 colors together are just, they're amazing. I mean, I can see the orange and that going together. Maybe not that so much, but these, definitely these. So if I were to do, you know, something with those on either side, and, you know, I'm just throwing things out here. You know, maybe, but these are just gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right. So anyways, I'm excited. I'm going to have to start designing like I'm starting to design with you guys here. I need to get set up for design and get ready to start working with this, but I can't wait to use these beads. They're so unique. I think those are going to be fun. That's going to be a challenge because I've never had beads like this before. So I'm going to challenge myself to use these. And I mean, I've had these before. They make great ornaments. Like I use these for doing Christmas ornaments and doing snowflakes because they have the nice wide side, but those are gorgeous. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean up here, get set up, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.